Imagine waking up surrounded by the turquoise waters of the Indian Ocean. Nestled just off the coast of Tanzania, Zanzibar is Africa's exotic paradise. Picture this: white sand beaches so pristine they sparkle under the warm sun. Savor the flavors of freshly grilled seafood with a twist of local spices in Stone Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site bursting with character. Dive into crystal-clear waters teeming with vibrant coral reefs. It's a diver's dream. And here's a secret: visit during July to October for perfect weather and fewer tourists. Travel without limits. Zanzibar's welcoming culture ensures every visitor feels celebrated. Where else can you find serenity, rich history, and adventure all in one? Pack your bags because your next dream destination awaits. Where should we go next? Drop your dream destination below and don't forget to subscribe for your passport to inspiration.